Hi guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to discuss the keyboard events when we press any key, when we release any key after pressing it, or when we key down. And now I'm gonna discuss it, then you can understand these events clearly. Here is I have created a text field and a span, and now here I'm gonna create a functionality. Here I'm gonna give it a ID. Here is txt, here is hash txt, and here is dot, and here I'm gonna write a event. First of all, a event key down. When we key down, or you can say that when we press the key and the key is downside and we have not released the key, or we have not released the key towards the upside, it is still down. Function, and here it is, here is this, and here is, and now here I'm gonna write dollar, and here is dot, and now here I'm gonna write span, and here I'm gonna print the text inside the span. Key is down. Here is key is down. So now a key down is just like the mouse down when we click the mouse to the downside. And now let's render it, and now here I'm gonna press W. Here is W. So now here you see that I have not up the key, or I have not left the key, I have not released the key is still down, and it is printing key is down. And now here I'm gonna make another one for the key up. Here is key up, and here is refresh it. So now I'm gonna press the W, and I am gonna press it, and I'm not going to release it. So here I have pressed it, so now it is printing the key is down. Here we have to set this text. Here is key is up, and now I'm gonna press the W, and I'm not going to release the key. Here you can see that I have still pressed the W, I have not released it, and now here you can see that it is printing key is down. And now I'm gonna release it, and then the key up event is going to be happen after the key down when I release the key. And now I'm gonna release it, and here you see that the key is up. And this is the event when we release the key. And now here is the third event, that is key press. Here is key press. So key press is just like the key down, but there is a difference. Here is so now when we press the key and the key is hit the down surface, so that is the key down. And what is the key press? Key press means when we press the key, or just like we touch the key, we have pressed the key little bit, so that is the key press. But when we completely press the key down to the surface, so that is the key down. And here is I'm gonna press the W. Here is, and here is it is pressed, So these are the events. Key presses and key down is almost the same, and you can also use the chaining. Here I'm going to remove these things, this selector, and here is this semicolon, and also remove this. Here it is, and now here is this. Now here it is still working, you can see that. So these are the keyboard events. So here after this I'm going to discuss the form events, when we focus on any field in the form, when we change any field, when we select that text, when we submit the form. So these are the events of the form. I will discuss the focus event in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.